everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be testing more TikTok life hacks and I am so excited. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, then I will leave that in the clickable I button for you and down in the description. I am so excited. However, I will say this is the last time you're going to be seeing this apartment in a video. Why? Because Nick and I have finally moved. By the time you're watching this, we will be in our new house. Make sure you do also subscribe to my vlog channel to see moving vlogs and all of that kind of jazz. And yeah, let's test some TikToks. Oh wait. My t-shirt's also going to change. Just because of how filming has gone down, I will be wearing the same t-shirt as in the last video, and we're just all going to have to get over it. This hack, which isn't so much a hack as a science experiment, we're going to use Skittles and the most appropriate plates I have ever seen. Are these not the perfect paper plates for a Skittles experiment? Yes, yes they are. I'm going to put the Skittles in a little circle on the plate and then put hot water in the middle, and it should create fun patterns with the colours of the Skittles. That's the plan. How do you open these? Oh, I've done it very wrong, I think. Oh dear. So it's from someone with the username WildTube, and it has 2 million likes. Not views, likes. And they basically have all of the little Skittles in a little circle. You have blue Skittles in America? I am very sad that I don't have blue Skittles. I'm going to run the kettle. I'm going to get some hot water. Dun, 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 dun. If you live in the US and don't own a kettle, what are you playing at? Red and yellow and pink and blue, orange and purple and blue. Got my little yellow and green bowl. We've got 2 bowls looking cute. And then for the last one, we're just going to go crazy. Could we do an inner circle and an outer circle? Would that work? We're gonna try it. I don't really like the purples though. I'm sorry, I'm discriminating, but I just don't love the purples. I really hope this works. I have wasted a lot of time making little circles of Skittles. If this doesn't work, you might see Angry Jazz. You won't see Angry Jazz, she doesn't exist. Heise Wasser. It's working! I think I put too much water in, but it's working! It looks real pretty. Wow! I think mine looks better than his. Let's go colours. Come on. Come on. You could do it. This looks really impressive. Look at them. Whoa! Okay. Oh no, oh no, the middle is just a mess. Oh no. It might be fixing it. I'm a genius. Look at that. That looks really impressive. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What do you do with them now? Like, do you eat them? Do they still taste as good? Oh, they have no colour. They're not that bad. This one looks really impressive. It's from someone called Luke. Hi, Luke. And he splits a CD in half. He puts a hairdryer on it and blows through it and magic happens. There's CD collection. You know, just split it in half. I don't think these CDs split in half. There doesn't seem to be a split in this CD. I'm going to snap it in half and then maybe I can see the split. It doesn't want to snap. I still don't see a split. I think our CDs are different, Luke. I think you have different CDs to us. I don't know whether to call this a fail because technically my CD just doesn't have the same capabilities. So I'm going to get a hairdryer and just try this without splitting it first, which is probably not going to work, but we'll see how it goes. Nothing's happening. He put his on and apparently a hole was made in it and his split in half, and Luke is just magic. Okay, next one involves drawing a little stick man or a spider on a plate with a dry erase pen, pouring hot water on it, and then it sort of lifts itself up and swims. Now, I've only ever seen that with, they all seem to use the same marker pen. Not only that, I couldn't find that marker pen. I don't know if it's available in the UK. So I just got a whiteboard marker, which does say on there, dry erase. And then I also got some dry erase pens because the marker that everyone uses is dry erase. So we're gonna just give it a go. We're gonna just try our best. I'm gonna warn you right now, not good at drawing. So this is going to be my little stick man. Stick man has been drawn. Now it says to wait for it to dry. How do you know when it's dry? And then you grab hot water. Let's see. I really thought it was working, and then he just got obliterated. I think we can get this. I'm going to decant some water into this so I can be a little bit more precise with my pouring, because I went crazy with this thing and he died. Come on, you've got this. Lift up. He's lifting. He's just not in one piece. This is magic. Keep going. You've got this. You could do it. I mean, his head is in half, but he's floating. Oh. He's moving. Oh my gosh. Whoa! I made a floating man. I really didn't see that working. Asda marker pens. I think they were £1. You're welcome. That's brilliant. I'm gonna draw a little spider. Do they have 6 legs or 8 legs? Because my spider has 6. Okay, he's lifting. He's lifting. He's got stuck. I'm gonna put more water in. You can do this. You can do this. Things have gone wrong. The next one, I'm gonna have to start today and finish tomorrow because it takes 1 to 3 days. So for this one, you want some lovely white vinegar, which by the way, brilliant for cleaning things with, and an egg. Now, American eggs all seem to be white. In the UK, we have brown eggs, so I don't know how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it. And yes, I know you can get white eggs in the UK and brown eggs in the US. I'm just saying, majority of the eggs here are brown, and majority, I don't know what I'm talking about, just ignore me. Before this one, you basically cover the egg in white vinegar for 1 to 3 days, and the shell goes squidgy and rubbery and soft. Let's see what happens. We're gonna put a little bit of cling film over this, just because it absolutely stinks. I don't think this is meant to have happened to this egg. The egg is kind of, what is happening to the egg? It's bubbling and stuff's coming off. Okay, it is 2 days later. Little egg has been sat in vinegar for a full, probably I'd say 48 hours. And look at the top of it. Oh, this is honestly kind of gross. I don't want to touch it. Okay. Ew, that is so disgusting.
Does it feel like?
That is so disgusting.
Oh, what? And that's got the shell on?
Yeah, the shell is squidgy. Oh, excuse my nails. Oh. Ooh.
You're just wiping the shell off?
I don't know. So I don't know if in the UK we cover our eggs in brown or what, but the brown has all come off and it is now squidgy. Nicholas, do you want to feel it?
Yeah, go on. Can I squeeze it? Can I pop
over
it?
Over the sink. Oh no. Go on.
Oh, the whole yolk came up. Perfect. And there's the shell. Hello. Nice. And now you've got a nice little pouch.
Got myself some shot glasses. Gonna just take a little shot of wine. Don't mind me. No, I'm not. So for the next one, you fill one little shot glass with wine and one with water, and then you flip one upside down. It sort of displaces the other and it looks great. I don't think I could have got that any more perfect, and I think I'm going to spill it on the way to the table. I don't know how I managed that, but I definitely couldn't do it again. Look at this. That is a clean, clean finish. That is to the brim, like the absolute brim. Right, let me just watch this TikTok to work out which one goes on top quickly. I'm a little bit nervous about this, not gonna lie. I really think it's just gonna spill. Okay, flip this up. Okay, brilliant, that's better. Okay, then we gotta get this onto that. Oh my gosh. Okay, right. That goes on there, and then you slide the card out a little bit. Nope, 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 nope. Like this. Stuff's happening. Wait. I did it. I definitely think you could turn this into a TikTok that says, only girls will understand. Okay, pleasant. Now we're just going to move this onto here. Flip it back over. And we've got a very watered down shot of wine. This next one is from someone called Ricky. And it looks really fake, but we're going to try it. So it's basically how to get your friend stuck to the wall. And it involves him asking them to put their head on the wall. And then he gives them 2 cans of like beans or something. And they can't get up. I've got a can of cream of chicken soup and a can of pea and mint soup. I'm supposed to step back from here, put my head on the wall like this. And then apparently I can't get up, but I mean, I can get up. If I try standing further back and then falling onto the wall. Ow! That hurts. Okay, and then give me the cans. I mean, sure, I can't get up if I stay in this position. But if I just do this, ta-da! I'm up, Ricky. What's your excuse? What's your excuse? Not 100% sure what this one is supposed to do. I think it's just to kind of make squishy, soft cookie / cookie dough at home. So I've seen people take a cookie, put milk on it, put it in the microwave, and then be like, whoa, soft cookie. So we're gonna try that with a galaxy cookie. If I put some milk on it and put it in the microwave. And now we wait. My cookie seems to have dissolved. It looks kind of horrendous. It could be kind of cookie dough-esque. Ooh. It's very hot. Has just come out of the microwave, Jasmine. Well done. Oh, it's good. I take it back. Genius hack. It basically turns an average old cookie, which was never average, by the way, it's a galaxy cookie, but it takes an average cookie and makes hot, melty, gooey cookie dough. Brilliant. Thumbs up. As it kind of cools, and as I'm getting further to the outside of the cookie, it's getting more and more grainy and bitty. I don't know, but if you want it to be good cookie dough, you've got to eat it straight away, instantly, before it even cools down and burn your mouth off. It's that or don't bother. Why can't I stop eating this? Okay, new location again. We are in the new house. I just wanted to test this final hack. If you haven't seen this on TikTok, I don't know what you've been doing on TikTok. I have seen this so many times and I so badly wanted to see if it actually worked. So basically, people make a little hash symbol on a balloon with sellotape, and then they pop the balloon in the middle and the water spurts out, but it looks like it's frozen. Now, I don't know if this is a camera trick or science. I'm not too sure. Part of me believes it could be science because I know laminar flow is a thing, so I feel like potentially. And then the other half of me is like, no, they've just done a little camera trick and frozen some water and put it in place. I don't know what to expect. It's a little bit too dark over in the corner of our kitchen to film, so I'm gonna film it on the table and I'm gonna pray that I can catch the water in this bowl. Just fingers crossed for me, hope that I can actually get it. Oh, that bit of tape was way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So I have my balloon, and apparently I just pop this and water shoots out in a nice stream. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. This is just gonna go everywhere.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Nick's gonna try and get this from another angle, so Nick, I'm scared.
Just do it.
It's just gonna go everywhere. This bowl is not gonna catch it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not ready. I can't do it. I can't do it. I mean, I poked it. It's not popping!
Yeah, because you just...
It's not popping! It's really not popping.
You need something... You just
I'm just gonna scissor it.
Don't do that.
You ready?
Use a knife. That did not look frozen at all. It's gone all over my feet. What?
That did not work. That did not work. Did it look frozen?
Just looks like we popped water glue. That's it.
I'm almost certain this doesn't work, but we're gonna go for another try. Are we ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
You can't do this.
I'm poking it with the knife! Oh, it does look laminar! Nick, film it! Film it! Nick, it's going everywhere! Nick! Nick, did you see it?
I saw water just flying out of blue. What do you want me to see? There's nothing to see.
Frozen! Okay, I've worked out how to do this. You do need a tiny little area here and then a smaller pinprick kind of size. Like this. And look! So this bit here is laminar flow, and then this is what you call turbulent flow, I think. This is flowing, and the balloon is getting slightly smaller, and if I put my finger through it, it stops, but it just looks completely still, whereas this is moving. Say goodbye to my apartment. I am so sad to be leaving it, but at least we have lots of memories recorded. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up because it makes me super duper happy, and I will see you guys very soon in a new apartment. Love you, bye!